Alright, so when we used this before, we could not use AAA. But now, we are able to use just AA. So, we are going to use some of these shortcuts to find out if triangles are similar. So, I don't really have any notes, but we really just have examples. So, this is the important part. Angle-angle similarity. If two angles in one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, then we can assume it is similar. Why do I only need to know two? Why not three? If we know two, do we know the third one has to be? Because if you know two angles and you wanted to find the third, could you? 180 minus those two. So you only have to know two. So let's see right here in example 1 if we have two angles that are congruent. Well, that's a 90-degree angle, and that's a 90-degree angle. So angle A is congruent to angle F. Angle C, what's it congruent to? E. So guess what? These two triangles are similar. Okay, but what about these two? They don't look like they have the same numbers. 140 is the same, but this one has 20 and this one has 25. Could I find the third side? Okay, so what's 180? Let's do the top one first. 180 minus 140 minus 25. So this one is 15. 180 minus 140 minus 20, and this one is 20. So I know I have 140 and 140. So angle B is similar to angle F. But do I know that other two are similar? Because I have 20, but there's not a 20 up here. So, these are not similar. Not by the AA similarity. Because I have to have two.
Teacher, students, please excuse me.
Try to do the third one.
And let everybody know before lunch starts that the wrestling event that will happen tomorrow, tickets can be purchased and will be sold for $3 in Coach Pike's room, 104, in the lunchroom during lunch, or in the gym tomorrow morning. Again, those tickets will be $3. You will need a ticket. And so please be sure you have those tickets before you try to leave class tomorrow for that event. Again, tickets are $3. Can be purchased in Coach Pike's classroom, 104, lunchroom, during the lunch period, or gym tomorrow morning. Thank you.
Okay, so did I have to show all three angles for number 3? No, I only need two. I only need two. Let's get through number 4. Got to think on number 4, because they don't give us any numbers. But I know that two of these are going to be congruent by things you've already learned. What's one of them? Vertical angles. This is congruent to this, or similar. And alternate interior. Good job. So vertical angles, those two are similar. G is going to be similar to J. Could I use H and I? I could have used H and I. Those are also alternate interior. So you can't say angle K is similar to angle K. You have to say angle G, K, H is similar to angle J, K, I. And then you can say angle G is similar to angle J. All right, we'll stop there.